Hi, my name is Mohammad. I teach math and physics from middle school level all the way up to second year university courses. And I also offer support in the fundamentals of artificial intelligence for those who are interested in applying math concepts in new fields. When you're looking for a tutor, I think the most important thing is like finding someone who can meet you where you are, someone who listens, understands how you learn, and adopts the teaching style to help you succeed. I think the right fit, that's an important thing. The right fit matters because tutoring isn't just about explaining topics, it's about building trust, confidence, and like a learning environment that students feel comfortable asking questions and making mistakes. I majored in mechanical engineering in my Bachelor of Science. In my master's, I started working in the field of robotics. My research was about robotics, and that was the time I started to like artificial intelligence because I used some AI concepts in my research robotics. And yep, it grew on me. And now in my PhD, I try to focus more on the learning part of robotics, like using computer vision, like large language models to teach robot to do some stuff, some tasks. So yeah, I wasn't first interested in artificial intelligence, but in during this long process, I like started to like it. The most rewarding part would be sharing my passion with the students, actually. I love math, I love physics, and I love like sharing this passion with the students. And the most rewarding thing in this process would be watching them grow their confidence, watching them understand that these concepts are not as intimidating as they seemed first. And also when they gain the independent problem solving skills, and also finally when they get the result they want, that's the most rewarding part. They expect me to help the students grow their confidence, help them to gain independent problem solving skills. And also one important thing is that I have to reduce the anxiety around the learning and hopefully make this experience rewarding and enjoyable.